Can you see what is there? It's the center of the screen. I'm seeing these kind of nests, um, many in number. It is still under building stage, I guess. This one. The one I had found one more. I had found one more, wherein this that the nest's bottom side, I mean to say inner bottom, that is what to say, uh, is kind of tiled with mud, like we do in our homes. These birds, they accumulate mud, a layer of mud, I should say, on the grass from within side the nest. I can see many of Sichi. If I can turn around and see that bush, there is one more similar one. I can see so many of them. Wait, I'll show one more. You can see many of them. I guess which bird is doing it. I don't know which bird is doing it. Maybe it is too cold, the winter days, and this huge jungle of mine is having so many such nests. Few of them get destroyed by my buffalo. See, there is here is one. Here is one. It is totally impossible for anybody who is walking through, but I don't know where exactly the opening of the nest is. It is right behind this grass. I'll show you. Yeah, hope we can see the bird. It is right. Oh, there are so many thorns here. It's a thorny bush. That's the nest. This is the nest. I wonder where is the opening. There is opening. Here is opening. Here is the opening. See, this is the opening. Can you see my finger? That is the opening. Just think how small the bird could have been. See, this nest is from inside is having a layer of mud layer, and from this they will cover it, this entrance, and somehow cover it, and while leaving, as to we will cover this back so that no predator bird can get an entry into the nest. That's it. See, if at all I had cut this grass for my buffalo, that nest could have been got wide open for the predator birds or snakes, even now they can get an entry into that nest and destroy. But this one especially, it is having seems to be a completely built one, and if at all I come and have a look in the morning, early morning, or cold night, I may get to see the bird. I feel like doing so. I'll check if I can do it, and if at all I can, I'll cover the same and bring it to you on my YouTube channel. Keep He's waiting. Keep waiting. Chinna, 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 Chinna. ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತೆ ಚಿನ್ನಾದಿ? See, see. If my snake can, sorry, my, oh, she's so cute, man. Where are you jumping at? Where are you jumping at? She's so bored, so bored. Nobody is there to play with her. My goodness, poor thing, my kutti. Poor thing, my kutti. Chalo, let's go.